That's a nice fish, 18-inch fish, probably 17-inch. That's a nice one.
Oh, yeah, it looks like it's fairly good size.
Oh, he got off.
Oh.
I'll be there.
There's more than one there.
Was there following?
Yeah.
He was back here in the shallow flat.
The other one's sitting right there in the water.
Well, that one was snagged. No, he's just sitting there. All right. Come here, little girl. Right, you're a girl.
Just watch getting hooked.
There you are, man. No, it's not.
It's a decent fish, I think.
Yeah, what it is.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that's a nice one. Oh, right there at the break. All right, now let me do a still.